Welcome back to Learn Lab. Are you ready to explore the future of AI?
Absolutely. Let's get started.
AI isn't something from the future anymore. It's already part of our daily lives, in school, at work, and even on our phones. Teachers are using it to save time, and students are using it to learn faster. So, what exactly is AI? AI simply means computers that can learn, think, and respond in ways similar to humans. It doesn't have feelings or opinions, it just follows data and instructions. Think of it this way. Google gives you links, AI gives you explanations. Instead of clicking multiple websites, AI can summarize and explain things instantly. You already use AI every day. When Google Maps gives directions, when Netflix recommends shows, or when your phone fixes spelling, that's AI working behind the scenes. For teachers, AI can help create lesson plans, quizzes, and discussion questions. It doesn't replace teaching. It simply saves time so teachers can focus on students. For students, AI works like a study buddy. It explains lessons step by step, helps with practice questions, and improves writing, as long as it's used responsibly. And this part is important. AI is a tool, not a shortcut. Always think critically, double-check answers, and use it to learn, not to cheat. In the next Learn Lab episode, I'll show you exactly how teachers and students can use ChatGPT for real classroom tasks, step by step. Hey there, thank you for watching Learn Lab. If you'd like more content like this, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you tomorrow.